Hey gang, hope you guys are doing fantastic today. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back at Reverie in Trailmark, Dreamfinders community, right? 55 plus. We're looking at their model homes, and specifically we're in front of the Iverson. What a great home, about 2,366 square feet, and a lot of options you can do with this little guy. So let's go take a peek. All right, gang, let's go take a look at the Iverson. This is the shingle B elevation, pretty cool. It can also have a 3-car garage. This model has a 2-car garage, but it can also have a 3-car garage or a 2-car with a golf cart garage. So let's go take a peek at it. They have done an outstanding job with this model. So many different options, and I'm going to take a picture of it because there's too many to talk about. Physicality of it, this physical options. I'm going to take a picture of the floor plan and put it in a video for you guys. So you can see all the different cool stuff they can do. And we have a flex room here on the left, and this has got 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors, but what they've used in here is engineered wood flooring. They have really, really well done home here, okay? Really well done. This home has, the Iverson has 3 bed and bath combinations, all right? If we have an ensuite, what we could just consider a general ensuite, okay? Which is this right here in the front of the house. Let's go on in here. Hope you guys are doing great today. Appreciate you hanging out with us. I love the tile they used on the floor. And we got our good sized walk-in closet for a secondary bedroom, right? Now that's an ensuite. Got a storage closet there, a little linen closet. But we have 2 master suites, a master 1 and a master 2, I'll call it, in the house. And there's a lot of different physical configurations you can do with this home. Coat closet right there, coming over here, another coat closet here, I believe. Wait a minute, let me not make a mistake. Just a little storage closet, but obviously probably a coat closet. Let me see what this one is. I don't want to say something wrong. Yeah, another coat closet. Okay, so I'll make sure I gave you guys, didn't lie to you. All right, coming into our powder bath right off the front. Pretty standard stuff, just a nice sink, cabinet setup, a toilet. They've got it well done with some nice blue paint, it's pretty color. Optioned up with some nice cabinetry, the pulls, the refrigerator space, nice quartz countertops. They got lighting up inside of there. This is an amazing, amazing decorating job or design job, right? Look at this kitchen. If you like to cook, this is the way to go. Those uppers, under cab lights, I might even have lit those up as well, which you can do all of that. All of this is doable with Dreamfinders at the Design Center. Natural gas community, of course. Look at this place. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Talk about entertaining. Look at that wall that they did there. Again, that's designer touch. And the Iverson, 2,366 square feet. This one's basically 3.5 bathrooms. That's our standard garage, nothing fancy out there. Nice wash space over here, all optioned up with the cabinetry. Okay. Another little sidebar area, a little coffee spot maybe, coffee pot area. What do we got in here? Nice pantry, check this out. You can do all of this with Dreamfinders, so that is something that you can do with them, okay? Let me back around here so you guys can see. Now, sometimes I don't really care for kitchen, dining, living, but this is kind of a square shape, I'll call it, because this big, what looks like a 60-inch table, just seems to work right there. Just looks good there, and they've got a nice placement of the light above it. You know, it doesn't look out of place. A lot of times that sort of thing looks out of place. Nice view of the backyard. This one's got the extended patio on it. It's got a 9-box coffered ceiling. Pretty crazy cool. Thanks for watching our stuff. We do appreciate you guys. You guys ought to check out our website, Welcome Home St. John's. Sharon has done a phenomenal job making sure it is full of information. Not just, of course, all the homes that are on there, but also information about communities and so on. So check it out, and you guys, I think you'll be impressed. But look at this, look at the tile. That's pretty cool tile. I like it. Now let me review what this might be here in the master. This is the master. This would normally be a larger shower space, but they have it optioned up with a tub, so you get a little bit smaller. But that's still a pretty good sized shower. Okay. Good sized closet. And I tell folks all the time, put some shelving in if you can, because there's a lot of dead space in closets, a lot of dead space. And you don't see this too often, where the toilet room kind of wraps around there a little bit. So good use of space there. Let me grab my paperwork here. And you can also extend you can make the master here deeper too. You can extend that out if you wanted to. Now we're going to go over to the second master, master number 2. More of a kind of an ensuite, but kind of in the middle between a master suite and an ensuite. But this one has kind of a 0 entry. That's kind of cool if you got somebody hanging out, living with you, staying with you that needs a little extra help like that. That's a great option, right? It's got a decent sized little closet. Well, it's not bad. Not huge, but definitely not bad. Okay. But again, like I said, the 0 entry. They've done a lot of nice tile work here. Linen closet. And this one's got French doors out to the lanai, okay? And they've tiled the lanai, which is cool. We'll go out there in a second. Let's take a peek at this. Oops, sorry about that. There we go. Using my one finger to do it. But this has got the extended lanai on it. And they've tiled it all. They got a nice sitting area they did. Again, they've done, here in Reverie, Dreamfinders has done an outstanding job demonstrating what they can do with their homes. So it's a very, very pleasant experience, that's for sure. All right, gang, that was the Iverson at Reverie in Trailmark by Dreamfinders. If we can get you any other information, give us a shout out. We're here for you guys, and we love educating folks and giving them the information they need so they can make great decisions. So anyway, until the next time, have a fantastic day.